Okay, yeah, it is a zouk tutorial. Zuchu, yeah, you know how you can make a zuchu tutorial. Yeah, zuchu instrumental, zuchu type beat. So my name is Joe Fox. It is again. This is my continuous tutorials, excitement tutorial, excited tutorial. I say that so you can enjoy what I have done. So some and this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new in this account. Also, don't forget to comment, because when you comment something, it gives me somehow how you continue to share your thought with me and you are interested in me. Say that. So simply, I love you guys. So, and let's go and let's see what I have done. Yeah, so the first thing I play here, it is this one, orchestra. I already played in many tutorials, so it is from Citrus. So I played emotional chord like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. This is how I made this my chord. Simple. After that, I just play this lords from afro key. It is stock plugin, so I just play simple. And this one, I just followed my chord progression, and as you see here for this, I just decrease some volume also on this, and this, and this, and in this I just add delay a little bit and reverb on it. Also in orchestra, I just add a fluid parametric equalizer to cut some highs and low. So after that, let's jump to another. It is jazz guitar. You know, this is stock sound also. I just play as you hear how it sounded. Yeah. I just play as I play in loads to add some vibe to this, and in jazz I just added delay only. Yeah, so let's jump to another. This is my melody. It's a follow key grand piano melody. So yeah, so after that hapo here you can on this I just add reverb on it. So simple like this one. So after that I just play this purity called a soft E P. It is piano. So simple, I just play like this one. Yeah, in this I just remain at ease. And let's jump to morphine. This is guitar, acoustic guitar for morphine. And you come to morphine, then strings, then acoustic guitar. Simple sound like this one. Yeah, simple like this one. That is my melody. And on this I just add reverb and delay. For that I add this nylon guitar from Flex. I just play it as I played for the first one. simple like this one. I just, in order to add some taste, as here, this one, for example, this one, yeah. When you increase volume in note, it sound like you played it live, you know, yeah. So it's simple technique, you can understand. So after that, I add this blast from same science. Simple like this one. This is how it sounds. After that, this is my drum groove. So let's hear my drum grooves how it sounds. So I just play simple, and in zouk I listen and add some this one snare. So here how it sounded. Yeah, after that, let's add. This is my second, but I just remove my kick here. Yeah, this. For that, this is my bass. My bass. Yeah. After that, let's play another bass. Also, it is Ibanez bass. So I just talked much about it. It is from Morphin. So I just like how this bass sound like. So I hope guys you enjoy with this pattern. So after that, let's hear how I made this beat from introduction up to end. So don't force yourself to make a very complicated melody. Yeah, just play something simple. Play something simple. Yeah. So let's hear from the intro. Fox. To chorus. Yeah, so this is how I make this beat. So guys, thank you. I hope you enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you. I really appreciate it.